Hi guys, this is Kaivan Pantaki. I'm the R&D and Formulations Head of Big Flex. Now, what are we going to talk about is about this new product that I've created. Let me tell you a few things that I've been into this field as a coach and a mentor for the past almost 10 to 12 years. ये जो मेरी हिस्ट्री है 10-12 साल की, उसमें आई हैव सीन सो मैनी blood work wherein or so many instances where people are into some kind of a sport or are into some kind of a recreational activity or are into some form of things which demand a certain kind of a physique or a certain kind of a look, wherein they resort to some kind of performance enhancing medications. But in all that, I have always seen that what goes unseen, जो वो अनदेखा करते हैं, वो है उनकी organ health या तो उनकी health. Now this was the only reason why I had the need to come out with a product जो एक एथलीट को असिस्ट करे, एक एथलीट को सेफ रखे, एक एथलीट को लॉन्जिविटी दे, एक एथलीट को एक काइंड ऑफ अ protection there behind the scene to safeguard his own health. Now let's take an athlete out of the picture. Let's take any normal human being who's interested in health. Now if you're interested in health, you should be interested in the health of all your organs, your liver, your kidneys, your cholesterol, your blood pressure, your glucose. All these things factor into a healthy physiological body. That was the aim behind coming out with this product called PCT. It's an all-organ support. Whatever you need in whatever capacity, in whatever doses, is being formulated by me at that particular dose itself. I have seen a few here and there supplements in the market which according to me are not at par. So you might have to take, let's say आपने liver health ले लिया, किडनी हेल्थ ले लिया, एक कोलेस्ट्रॉल के लिए है, एक ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए है, या तो फिर एक लेट्स से एज अ जीडी ग्लूकोज डिस्पोजल एजेंट है. तो ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स मे बी आर देयर बट दे आर नॉट देयर इन वन स्टॉप सप्लीमेंट. सो दैट इज वेयर ऑल योर search ends. This is one supplement which I am extremely proud of because I know that we've done justice staying into the realms of FSI rules. Also that everything that you need to uplift or to maintain health during activity or during, let's say if you are a bodybuilder and you are into an on cycle things wherein you might have to resort to pharmaceutical aid. This will help you when you are on and off the cycle as well. Now, not again, let me tell you that this is not something which is only limited to bodybuilders. This is for everyone and anyone who is interested in health. Now, in the past couple of years, we've seen that the human health is of utmost importance. जो भी आप काम करते हो ये है वो है जो भी है, अभी जो चीज़ जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है वो आपकी हेल्थ है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी अनसर्टेन टाइम. यहाँ in the past 6 months there have been so many cases where people have got heart attacks, people have got myocarditis, people have had depression issues, people have got anxiety issues. I am seeing this as a tip of an iceberg. I am seeing that in the coming times there might be a time and age where things could be even worse and we should be prepared. So let me get back to the PCT. This is something, as I said, is an one-stop supplement. It has got things that you may have not even heard of but are extremely important in terms of your organ health. So there is certain things for the kidney which can help to improve the filtration of the kidney. There's something which is to let's say, help the kidney, help the liver detoxify. The liver detoxifies on its own, so I'm not playing this gimmick that this is a detoxification. I'm saying that this will help you or help your liver detoxify at a better rate. There is something to improve your cholesterol. If your triglycerides are high or if your LDL is high, there are things in this which can help get those numbers down. There is also something for the stress. So your anxiety and all those things have been factored into it as well. Then immune health, your rate at which you would catch flu, cold could come down, because there are certain supplements which assist the T cells, which are your main immune system cells, which help in bolstering the immune system. So that's there. So all in all, what I'm trying to say here is there is this one supplement which will factor or cater to someone, either a sportsman to a housewife. Anyone who is interested in health should probably try this once and use it in your benefit.